What's up everybody, welcome back to my another video. It's your boy Luilu and I'm back with new videos. Actually today I'm going to go camping at Khao Duang, and I'll be going with my church members, with BYF members. We will be sleeping at Khao Duang tonight, and we will come back tomorrow afternoon or evening. Okay, right now we are going to depart from our church, Naga Baptist Church, and here we can see our vehicle, and then there too. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have reached Kohulong. The road is very dusty, so you see, all my clothes is dirty. Okay, we have reached Pamuajang, and it took us around 1.5 hours. Right now we will go by boat. Okay, right now we are waiting for the boat to come and take us. I'm so tired. I want to rest. Okay, let's go. They said we will sit in boat for around 1 hour. It's gonna be a long ride. Oh, hay xia green là bấm ta. Tụi mình nghe à? Aso Choki. Also is from our wrong my folktale, and it says that is the chair for him. I love sitting in boat, it's so refreshing. Let me know who haven't sit in a boat yet. Leave your comment in the comment section below. This is Aso Teo Puong. It says Aso used to sit there in that stone. The sound of the water which you were hearing now is called Aso Pom. It is Pom means bridge, and Aso is someone's name from our Naga folktale. Okay, we're about to reach.
Finally.
That was a nice ride. I'm so tired. You see my back. My back is really big. Right now, we will walk by foot. Let's go. Time to walk by foot. Gái là nghe nó khẩm cuộn. Cuộn gái đi đưa. Sai băng không đẹp rồi.
Đẹp rồi. Em bán cày cái này hơi.
Cài khó.
Ôi trời trời.
Wow. Look at the sand. Wow. Woo! Woo! Yo! This is your boy Glip and my
Young Khalifa mẹ.
in Bum Goi Giang. Way to Khao Duong. Hey. Okay, we are about to reach Khao Duong Waterfall. And you know,
We're taking a break.
yeah, we are taking a break. Oh, look at the view. It's so beautiful. I'm about to reach the camping site. Okay, finally we have reached Barak Waterfall. Hold on. Woo! I think you can hear the sound of the water. Time to introduce the Barak Waterfall, the Khao Duong Waterfall. Woo! Here we are. This is Barak Waterfall. This is Khao Duong, and we will be camping here, right here. Yo, man! Ngồi đàn thiếu. I love the view. Okay, let's enter there. Let's enter there. So beautiful. I don't know if you can hear my voice or not, but we are taking a photograph here. Here's my friend Ratua Lung. Follow him on Instagram, Fly with One. I will keep his link on my description. Say hi, man.
Hi man.
And here's my friend Papun. Say hi, man. This is my first time in Khao Duong. Woo! I love this place.
Can you tell me what is going on inside your mind? you're so hard to read, it's like you're tangled in the lies. You tell me one thing, do another. Tell me where you stand. Tell me what is going on tonight inside your mind. 'Cause this isn't the way that we planned it. We never allowed for a broken heart. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just,
Say hi.
is this just a start?
That was awesome. Not bad. Ôi mong không còn ha. Phốt cái không cục này nè. Phốt cái không khổ nè. Nhiều rồi kẹp tới đây mình mà ta. Wow, mình has năm đẹp rồi. Nắp cái taju ba ni na. Sabuang na ya bro. Somewhat have still more place to explore. We are thinking whether we should go this evening or tomorrow.
Never allow for a broken heart. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start?
Okay, we have set up our tent and we will be sleeping here, and also some people will be sleeping over there. This one is mine. I haven't put any blanket yet. Let's drink tea.
Go, descendro. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see how spring is like on the
Time to have food with chicken curry. Wow. actually I'm about to sleep, and I'm with my friends Matthew. Here he's sleeping right here, and yeah, I had a great time today. It was my first time in Khao Duong, in Barak Waterfall, and this is only a part 1. There will be a part 2. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Zailat, so make sure to stay tuned. And also yeah, this is it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And yeah, that's it for today. Good night. I'm gonna sleep. Okay, right now I will show you some mysterious place. Okay, we have reached Let's go.